Memwa chibiem samu akwa Adom TV Badwam jubedi so yeda Apostle Doctor ni te kute guase eni nkranshensem de adu so ne Badwam kasensem na eba no ne obeti wo mu bi ni enra e krakra mu kra no yema mpani John Dramani Mahama asafne makasa yede hosesem no so ebebra mu na fe Ghana ya abakosem mu oba wodi kane mpani abedi akire Professor Nana Jane Opoku Agyeman so eso afne mu eno ne nsem no de esefata obete ye de bro kwa adomonline.com ansam no bebre ka ho wo ho okọ ye YouTube search Adom TV 2 Go TV 119 DSTV 280 bidi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mbientie se de nsam ni chiremu ankasa ethie Ghana mampani John Dramani Mahama na fede abrewa yi pomakwan mu ono ne mampani a otosunsia wo Fourth Republic ni mu anura wo Independence Square na nya gro afade etitiu ne ani ntini free akire ne bencheye ebehwe adwumadi no
Your name.
John Dramani Mahama.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will bear true faith.
That I will bear true faith.
And allegiance.
And allegiance.
To the Republic of Ghana.
To the Republic of Ghana.
As by law established.
As by law established.
That I will uphold.
And that I will uphold.
The sovereignty.
The sovereignty.
And integrity.
And integrity.
Of Ghana.
Of Ghana.
And that I will preserve.
And that I will preserve.
Protect.
Protect.
And defend.
And defend.
The Constitution.
The Constitution.
Of the Republic of Ghana.
Of the Republic of Ghana.
So help me God.
So help me God. The circumstances we find ourselves in are indeed dire. But even so, I'll be decisive and swift in my actions. We'll focus our initial efforts on 4 critical areas. The first is economic restoration and stabilization of the macroeconomic environment. The second is the improvement of the business and investment environment to ensure that Ghana is once again open for business. The third is governance and constitutional reforms. And the final, but not the least, is accountability and the fight against corruption.
Yatwaso nenra ni jisami abo my Ghana ni wiase nyina mu no Ghana abakosem oba wodi kane samampani abedi akire Professor Nana Jane Opoku Agyeman so eso afene mu ekasa ya kase yi etwaso
I Professor Nana Jane Opoku Agyeman, having been elected to the office of Vice President of the Republic of Ghana.
To the office of Vice President of the Republic of Ghana,
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
Do in the name of the Almighty God swear.
That I will be faithful.
That I will be faithful.
And true.
And true.
To the Republic of Ghana.
To the Republic of Ghana.
That I will at all times.
That I will at all times.
Preserve.
Protect.
And defend.
The
Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
The Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
And I dedicate myself.
To the service.
And well-being.
Of
the people of the Republic of Ghana. And to do right. To all manner of persons. I further solemnly swear that should I at any time break this oath of office, I shall submit myself to the laws of the Republic of Ghana. And suffer the penalty.
Na wajumadi kasiye yasiya no Nigeria mampani so baasiye bi won sama woka nyina ne se wode wo moa ni wachitan so ebema ye mampani John Dramani Mahama.
President John Mahama and I share a deep friendship. My dear brother, I am here to walk with you. You know you can count on Nigeria's support at any given time. You call on me. We are your brothers and sisters. We shall always be there for you. May your administration be a profound success and progress for you, Ghanaians, and the entire region. I am confident that new government under the leadership of President John Mahama will work with Nigeria to strengthen this powerful bond, leading to greater shared progress, prosperity for the people of our two nations. I have no doubt that your administration will bring about positive change and progress.
Yatwa and Samno so Jumedi Cassia Coso and Radanwa, Yamampani John Dramani Mahama, Sodan Samu to Jano. Yawa Kenyina Nesagana for Sembia, ye Cambiano, Ebedia Cotene, and when a memo so Berresa this year, Sum Ebejuon, Bibia Ebekoye.
The millions of my fellow countrymen and women who joined long queues and waited in the sun for their turn to vote for me, you have my sincerest thanks for honoring me. My firm, immutable assurance is that your votes will matter in the work that I'll do to make a difference in the destiny of this dear nation of ours. Your courage to bring change will not go in vain. Our nation was born with much promise. That promise would seem hazy and in doubt now because of all that has happened in the past. But I urge you, my fellow countrymen, not to be sucked into a state of perpetual pessimism. For some time, our country has urgently needed leadership with an unwavering desire to get things done. I, with all humility, assent that I intend to be that leader with your cooperation and your help. As your next leader, I shall strive to exercise sound judgment and be able to make the right calls at the right time. I will have the humility and presence of mind to take responsibility for any challenges and be willing to act firmly and timeously to resolve the challenges that we face as a nation. Since the elections, I have read and heard the word hope used many times in relation to my presidency and what it should offer the citizens of Ghana. I intend to speak plainly and clearly to you today, and every time I address you subsequently, I intend to
Yatwa Kasiano so nampani phobia di akotene wendi si amanyuko no mo se ne ya mampani John Dramani Mahama Bay na nsama hodo anto abono mu wo kan ye no obedi so.
Yenya a new president. 1 month ago na a party that has won an election. Today a government, and I said that the manyame that's magana phone in the support of Muriama.
And right, you're a your candidate to your parliament to say, Ora Timo now, Mampeni, Atiano, a unconstitutional, a illegal, I say, one more betatan for Roma Firma, one more and share Emma Bibetisa NC, your institutions, Sayomo, you must be fighting corruption. Why Ora or say unconstitutional, then I can found.
Unconstitutionality, and it doesn't lie in the mouth of Afanyo Markins. It lies in the court. In Tinya, what did not know cannot. Nayama Power said from your Markins, we know what we are doing. Nearby crew, Nasa back the confidence of the people, as our Kosrono, is what we are going to do. And nothing from Afanyo Markin or the MPP. ebe stop yɛn from delivering on the promise ama Ghana for to aba.
Even if say it's ya or minor amamra ne hye.
Tina me say any afanyo markings anum e court. Nti bibi wo ho na we say unconstitutional. They should go to court and go and seek interpretation. But before our obey side, the free nekwe, we are resetting the count.
My Adom TV, Badwam Kasiano so na enwa mampani John Romani Mahama mamrani amani akoso jena tumuno. Wamu ebonchene ne wanu echi motorbikes nso kashe out. Echire mfaso a wonya wo dwumedie na se.
Mampani John Romani
Okada business so far e ko yiye kakra there. Me anya Crawford say 3p. Me dey obi akose ke dey be ko alajo obi ashama to la ku side o e dey me ase.
Omu say Crawford dosun but obi wo ha e bia baby okono price na obi a wo be ma no na enko yiye obi nso wo ha na wa ire na wa manage no e say tubre bi nso nya de bia na ska wo nipa ho nti tubre bia wo so consider na aja ye de no ma to yiye manya obi akọ tema station me generator Ghana 3.
Nuanum bia womo ebo eye drum CB eye dondo se obi epiemu ewo ho a eno ne se omo di dondo eje otata safoi enya achede bebre womo so di to Adom news nsentwofo enim se achede awodo a womo nya no titiri ani sika ene niema awodo obi mu no omo ni age pa
anya achede kakra nka amafo omuba na ya bo na wa maya kakra kisesa de ya bre ibese yoko inside na ya basin ko fie ya badu anapa 7 ya badu ana ya na ma ya bo bia na wa chen sika
ya de yan bantam ya ba 10 o'clock mum ba ya ba hie obi mum ya mu ho de ya nya de ya banya ba ya nya mpon ye etu wanya bi ya nya bi nyukure de ya de ba nya de ya nya bi kakra.
Bayinjira no Adom TV Badwam Kasiya na hana brema kwan na no pay ye de asia sedane ya wodia omre no wadaje a wode fam ye ni die me bekoso asra wo satwen ye na ye mfa ne online stories ne ka ne de bonkrata ne bi e ka no ento aso ma wo twen ye sisi ye kwaba medin de afia amankwa tamaklo.